I believe. Oh shit! Oh!
Crash event detected. Crash detected.
Mama! Mama! Oh yeah!
On Saturday. He's not. Oh!
Wow.
Why would they think that was okay?
I don't know. Should have.
This has now been pushed off to just the left shoulder, and heavy delays are still back there before Norview, and actually there is a crash in those delays that's near Norview, also blocking off the left shoulder that direction, so that's not going to help your recovery, just going to slow you down a little bit. HRBT on the Hampton side eastbound, you're up to the Hampton River Bridge, getting closer to Rip Rap Road. Norfolk side westbound.
Current loop video is now locked.
Superstar Jerry shares her music, influence, and inspirations. SiriusXM show. Welcome to Curious
Julia. Oh my
What? That
god.
happened.
Shit, we witnessed that. Yikes.
This feature at widowconnection.com. Ever feel like you're fighting a battle? We're here to remind you that your battle belongs.
Fucking bitch!
Count on us to remind you of what's good. We're 90.1 FM, Moody Radio. This is Wayne Shepherd for the Far East.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I've never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. You can play me in modern games, but instead of say something not logical, something nice to
Let's move on the back.
what you keep, make yourself a statement.
Yeah, put me in
I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through
Fucking hell!
Psychotic and Sandy B's World Go Round. We're talking to you about your Christmas cupboard. All things good in it. So people saying, good morning, Cherry, mint matchsticks. Ah, they were banging. Good morning to Nara. People saying, sherbet dib-dabs. Shrimps. Chocolate tools. Wow. Wow, wow.